Installing CRF 300L decals here at HONTORIA Printing Services. Installed by Woodbury.
Why you so worried about me? What I eat, who I fuck, where I wanna sleep. We're not a plague or disease for you to cure or purify as you please. You can't fight those who fear you. You can't fight who you are. No, you can't hide from the nightmare in someone else's heart. We will live, we will love, we will never have to change for anyone. We are here, we are free, we will live as we were meant to be. We are here, we are free, we will live as we were meant to be. We will live as we were meant to be. We will live as we were meant to be. You can't control how I think, what I need, the chemicals inside of me. And if in God you believe, let us live as we were meant to be. You can't fight those who fear you. You can't fight who you are. No, you can't hide from the nightmare in someone else's heart. We will live, we will love, we will never have to change for anyone. We are here, we are free, we will live as we were meant to be. And will it take 1,000 years, oh, to bury all your fears? We are here, we are free, we will live as we were meant to be. We are here, we are free, we will live as we were meant to be. We will live as we were meant to be. And will it take 1,000 years, oh, to bury all your fears? We are here, we are free, we will live as we were meant to be. Oh, we will live, we will love, we will never have to change for anyone. We are here, we are free, we will live as we were made to be.
Pagpa decals na diri sa.
HONTORIA Building, Feeder Road Number 2, Santo Tomas, Devo del Norte.